Hi there, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Timbren Silent Ride suspension system. This is going to replace your trailer's existing leaf spring suspension with these two rugged steel units that will work with your trailer's existing axles and hubs to absorb your road shock, minimize your trailer bounce and rattle, and help to protect your trailer's components and cargo. From all of the customers that we've heard from that have installed the Silent Ride system, they say it is a huge improvement. One customer said he installed it on his cattle trailer. He said the usual rattling and clanging of his trailer when he's going down gravel roads is gone. He said the trailer body is so smooth the cows feel like they're riding in a Cadillac. So that tells you just how smooth it is. Another customer said that he's used both leaf suspensions and torsion suspensions in his pull-behind camper. He said this is without a doubt the best suspension he has ever used. He says it's going to do a great job of making sure that your stuff doesn't come out onto your camper's floor as you're going down the road. We had another customer say that he used to bend axles every 6 months, but with this system, he's not bent an axle in over 2 years. All the rattling, bangs, and noise is gone, whether it's loaded or unloaded. So these are going to be a huge improvement for you. This kit is designed for your tandem axles, tandem axle trailers with 2-inch square axles with a 31-inch axle spread. So it's going to be for your smaller tires like on your RV trailers. This setup is going to have a max weight capacity of 7,000 pounds. And there are several components that work together to provide that nice, smooth, quiet, and stable ride for your trailer. We've got this walking beam here that has this single pivot point that's going to help keep the weight distributed evenly between your axles for maximum stability and a nice smooth ride. You've got these pivoting arms on either side of that walking beam, and these are going to ensure that all your tires hug the road, so it's going to be great on your even or rough bumpy terrain. This is going to help to keep your trailer level as you're going over uneven ground. You can see these do have the double AON rubber springs that absorb the road shock and support the trailer's load. These are actually progressive rate springs, so the more weight you put on them, the stiffer they're going to be to provide more support for your load. These are also going to act as a return device to minimize the rattle and bottoming out that you experience. And then on the underside, we do have the fitted rubber bushing right here. That's going to allow the control arms to be fully engaged, kind of help to balance out between the AON spring to ensure that the springs are always in use at all times. These are a nice heavy-duty steel construction, so they are going to be extremely durable. They've got this rust-resistant powder coat finish and a tough, long-lasting rubber construction, so they are going to hold up really well for you for a nice long time. Having that rubber spring is going to make this basically maintenance-free, so unlike airbags or something like that where you're going to have to make sure that you keep air pressure in them, these are going to hold up really well. Basically, once you get them installed, they're just going to work for you. You're not going to have to worry about much maintenance at all. To get these installed, it is going to be a bolt-on installation. You can see we've got our bolt holes here to mount these in place. The mounting hardware is not included. You'll have to supply that yourself. You will need to do some drilling to get these mounted in place. You'll also have to do some welding. You'll want to weld the axle seats onto your axles. This does also require a 2-inch tall by 4-inch thick hollow steel cross member between these with a wall thickness of either 1/8 of an inch or 3/16 of an inch. Again, that is not included. You'll have to provide that yourself based on the width of your trailer. But overall, I think this is going to be a huge improvement for you, help to smooth out your ride, make it a lot more comfortable for you. Especially if you're using it for your RV trailer, it's going to make that a lot more enjoyable for you and your passengers. You're not going to have to worry about your cabinets banging open and all your gear falling out on the floor and that sort of thing. So will definitely be a huge improvement for you. So that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Thanks for watching.